Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to simply slide a little bit to useful features category, and here we have to tap to shooting methods. Now at the second place we have voice control option with short info from the device that when we turn it on we can take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture, shoot, and record videos by saying record video. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and off as we need. Now let me keep it turn it on and let's move back to the camera to try using this. So let me try to take a picture by saying, for example, smile. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so it works perfectly. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.